You could soon be paying for your electricity based on how much you use and how much money you make. It's our top story on the 4. I'm Jesse Pagan, in for Heather Myers.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. CBS 8's Kelly Hassedal attended the first of 2 CPUC public hearings today at Escondido City Hall and has more on what happened.
More than a dozen people spoke out during this California Public Utilities Commission hearing. If this proposal goes forward, this flat rate fee would be based on your income. So you would pay for your actual usage. This fee would be on top of that. So here's some of what we heard during public comment.
Why are we having this meeting? Is this to make the commissioner, make us think that the commissioner really cares about us? You guys always give San Diego Gas and Electric what they want. Every time a rate comes up, it gets approved. It's not fair.
No one should pay anything different for a commodity that we all use. Nobody should be making payments on a commodity we all use based on their income.
And you saw County Supervisor Jim Desmond there, who has been very vocal about his opposition to this plan. Now, last summer, lawmakers passed AB 205, an energy bill signed by Governor Gavin Newsom that directed the California Public Utilities Commission to put in place a system that charges people based on income. So here's a closer look at the proposal. Households under $28,000 a year would pay a flat rate of $24 a month. Households between $28,000 and $69,000 a year would pay $34 a month. Households between $69,000 to $180,000 a year would pay $73 a month, and households with income above $180,000 a year would pay $128 a month. Now, in addition to those fees, you would also pay for your usage, but SDG&E says the price would drop from an average of 47 cents per kilowatt hour to 27 cents per kilowatt hour. So under the changes, some people may pay less per month than they are now, and some people may end up paying more. Also to note, this flat rate fee also applies to people even if they have installed residential solar. The Utility Consumers Action Network, or UCAN, has been following this issue closely and says this proposal needs to be thoroughly vetted rather than rushed through.
This is big, huge, seismic type change. While there has been for a while now some talk about fixed versus volumetric billing methods, we're not aware of anywhere in the country that there's a proposed or actual fixed bill charge that's based solely on income. That's totally something different.
Now, the utility companies have a deadline of July 2024 to authorize a plan to move forward, and once that's in place, customers would begin to see changes in their bills in late 2026. Now, if you didn't have a chance to come to this afternoon's hearing, there will be a second hearing tonight at 6 p.m. here at Escondido City Hall. Kelly Hassedal, CBS 8.